This is a bird you actually believe that didn't fly. A turkey. There's a bird that you believe it didn't fly. Wow, the birds are hard to catch flying. Look at that, the bird flew up there. Hey guy, if you ever didn't see a chicken fly, then there's one right there. Yeah, there's a chicken flying. He says chicken can't fly. Well, this one, because I bet you that one's getting ready to fly. That one right there. Well, the guy needs to get the camera on the chicken and the bird. Look at that. Oh, it's getting ready to fly. Look at that. Check that out. There's the bird. Oh! Hit that. Oh, the birdie hit that. Poor bird. There's a bird. There's more birds flying. I'm showing more birds flying on there. Oh, there goes another bird. There goes another one. Look at that. There goes another bird. It's reacting to birds flying. Or actually, you might even react to a macaw flying. Macaw looks like a big bird. They fly. Hey cat, you want to do the reaction with me on birds flying? Shit. Oh. There's another chicken. There's another bird. Look at that. The bird started flapping its wings. That means it's going. That means it's flying. What the birdie's doing? They're flying. What do you expect from a chicken? They're birds. You can't keep them forever because of birds. So all you farmers that think you can keep chickens forever, don't do that. Because of a bird. I'll pause the video here. Okay. For all those of you that think you can keep chickens forever, don't do that. Because of birds. Because of birds. A bird. You don't know what to expect from a bird. But this is on the chicken channel. That's a bird. It's the name of a bird. Yeah, at the time of bird. Yeah, so we have this guy's channel. It's actually a bird's channel. Yeah, see, he's got bird on it. There's a bird. That bird's starting to fly. Check that one out. But they don't fly very far, you see. Don't fly very far as normal birds. But trust me, chickens are birds. Because any bird will fly. They got wings on them. Look, there's a cat. There's a cat. Got one. Got a cat. Okay, I think that's all the birds we're going to react to.